So after doing some brainstorming, if you're still having trouble coming up with some proper keywords for your upcoming videos, you can think of your audience. So if you've already created some videos and you do understand who you're targeting and who your audience is, you can come up with some keywords in that way as well. So understanding your audience helps you create keywords. Think of the gender, the age, if they have any common hobbies or interests, goals that they might want to achieve. And then you can also think about where they might hang out online and what their overall general interests are. And by doing this, you're able to create kind of a persona of the different types of viewers that might be coming in to your video, and you could cater it a little bit better towards them, as well as you can find keyword ideas. Once you know your audience, you can search for forums and related websites that might attract them, and then think about what wording those sites are using to target that audience as well. And there's another great source for keywords and getting started with keywords. We've got also a number of tools that will help you determine that. So once you do have the website, there's a whole bunch of free tools online where you could type in the website URL and you could get a whole bunch of keyword lists that way. It's also important to remember while you're doing this research on your audience to keep track of all those different websites that you're checking out that are related to your audience, because they could come in useful down the line when you are doing some more marketing towards that audience. There's a website called boardreader.com. That's a fairly useful tool in order to find out a little bit more about different communities and then finding sites that are related to those communities. When you type in a phrase or a keyword, you're able to see a whole bunch of more ideas and websites that are based around those ideas, and from those websites you can check out. You can also see different trends for that particular keyword, so by day, week, and month, as well as you can see the related sites to that word, and then you could go to any one of these sites and check out what keywords they have available and they're using to target that audience. So that's a great way to kind of grow your keyword list by determining who your audience is, as well as targeting that audience a little bit better with their interests and hobbies. So when you're thinking keywords, think about interests and hobbies as well in order to track those viewers and that audience to your video.